Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check the devices that are logged into your Instagram account. It's a good idea to monitor your account's activity and ensure that no one unauthorized has access. So let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. First, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu, in the top right corner. This will open up the Options menu. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Account Center. This is where you can manage all your Instagram settings and account details. Step 5. Now, go to Password and Security. This section is where you can adjust your account's security settings, including monitoring your login activity. Step 6. Under the Password and Security tab, you'll see an option called Where You're Logged In. Tap on it to see a list of devices that are currently signed into your Instagram account. By checking this list, you can see which devices have access to your account. If you spot anything suspicious or unfamiliar, you can log out of those devices directly from this menu. This helps keep your account secure and ensures that only authorized devices have access. And that's it. You've now learned how to check the devices logged into your Instagram account. It's an important step to take if you want to ensure your account's security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your Instagram safe.